Hello everyone, this is Scott with Hi-Lux Optics. We're back at the range today to put a red dot onto an old-fashioned rifle. In this case, a Winchester 1886 chambered in 4570. If your rifle has two holes drilled in the left side of the receiver to mount a Lyman receiver peep sight, more than likely they'll also work for this Winchester lever-action red dot mount. Center. Center. And today we've got mounted on top of that the TD3C red dot sight. We're going to be shooting out at 50 and 100 yards using, I kid you not, completely random ammo. A friend of ours had a couple of boxes of 4570 on the shelf that he wanted to clear up space, so he gave it to us to shoot it up, use it up, and see what the heck's going to happen. I'm not really sure how some of this is going to work. A little bit of our earlier testing revealed some feeding issues, but hey, someone gives me some ammo and tells me to shoot it, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So follow along today as we get sighted in at 50, take it out to 100, and test a whole bunch of different ammo. We've been told that the bullets are anywhere from 300 to 550 grains, whole varieties of smokeless powder. Most likely none of it's black powder, but we won't know until we shoot it. Let's have some fun out there and see how this thing works. The first shot I take, I'm actually going to go for the rocks at the bottom.
Okay. It should be much lower now. I adjusted it down probably like maybe 1/10 of an inch. It's closer to the top of the slot now.
Okay. Going for a rock. Good. You're good. Okay, above target 1, to the right of where you were aiming. Give me another. Below target 1, to the right of where you were aiming. Dial yourself left 4 inches.
But yeah.
I want to do a few in a row.
Okay. Hit center, 1 inch low from the center, exactly that center. So I think it's good. The ammo probably has some dispersion. I didn't see, I was watching the target. Close to center, within like a 3-inch spread of the center at 11 o'clock.
Okay. Well, we're pretty close, but it's spreading like crazy.
Yeah.
That's fun.
A whole right side of the plate.
Cool. Oh, I gotta say you're probably low. Try holding top of plate. Top center. At top or like a little bit below center. Or a little bit below top at the center. Center hit. Hold the same spot. Center hit. Above. Eight o'clock, 3 inches from center. Ten o'clock, 3 inches from center. Come right a little bit. Center. That's it. That went beautifully. Well, that was a heck of a day. As I'm sure you saw towards the end there, it was getting a little bit windy, and we decided it was a better bet to finish all the ammo as quickly as possible, and then jump ship and get a nice cold drink. The rifle did have some feeding issues. Unfortunately, this is not the rifle you saw in that video. That one is currently out at the gunsmith for a little bit of tender loving care to solve those same issues. However, it did eat up all the ammo we gave it, and, well, I really had a lot of fun, even if my shoulder is disagreeing with me at the moment. I'd like to go over again one more time the Winchester lever action red dot mount that you saw there, along with the TD3 and TD3 red dot sights that can mount on top of it. This particular bracket will mount onto the left side of the receiver using the holes that are already pre-drilled in quite a wide range of rifles. It has slots that allow you to adjust the height up or down to get past any, let's say, front sights, misdrilled holes, or actions or receiver walls that are unusual heights. We've certainly had a lot of fun figuring out the extreme ranges of that, and, well, I'm looking for any excuse to get back to the range and try this thing out more times. Go ahead and follow along in future videos as we try this out on different rifles with different kinds of ammunitions, but I'd say at least here, 45-70 and all sorts of bullet weights, 300 grains out to 550, different powder charges, everything worked beautifully. We did learn one important thing out of that 1886. It didn't quite like the 550 grain bullets. As it turns out, the rifling was not at the right twist rate to stabilize them. But you learn something new every day. Whatever it is you're shooting out there, I hope you have fun. And please stay tuned as we waste more ammo and have a lot more fun next time we go to the range. Take it easy out there.